everyone, it's Ninchimardi again. So maybe you're just a shy person, or you're not a shy person, but you might know someone who is really shy. At some point, you might have wondered if they have social anxiety, or you might have a friend who keeps telling you that they think they might have social anxiety, but maybe they're just a shy person. Well, the two words are definitely not interchangeable. There's a big difference in being just shy or having social anxiety. So in this video, let's talk about the difference between shyness and social anxiety. So let's start by talking about shyness. In most cases, when someone is extremely shy, that person might be having physical problems like shivering while talking, or maybe feeling inferior to others, or being afraid of how people might judge them. People who are shy try their best or have this tendency to withdraw from situations that require social interaction. However, this does not necessarily mean that their shyness affects their overall life choices, and this is what differentiates shyness from social anxiety. So let's talk about social anxiety. Social anxiety is like the fear of interacting with other people, being in situations where interaction with other people would be required, and this might cause like a feeling of inferiority, judgment, or self-consciousness. So a person having social anxiety avoids these kind of social interactions because they keep on feeling afraid that they might be embarrassed or humiliated by something that they say or do. Well, in most cases, when someone has social anxiety, they realize the fact that they're being overly excessive and they're being unreasonable about this. Another difference between social anxiety and shyness would be that a person who has social anxiety, it overall affects him, the way he thinks, the way he talks. It's not like a temporary thing. Shyness might be a temporary thing. Social anxiety is something that unfortunately haunts them forever. Shyness might actually advance to social anxiety. This depends on an individual's ability to deal with their own shyness. And also, if social anxiety reaches on an extreme level, it could cause severe depression. So to summarize the main difference, shyness is like a personality characteristic, while social anxiety is actually a disorder. People who have shyness, they do not regard this as a negative trait about themselves. They're okay with the fact that they are shy. But people who have social anxiety, they view their shyness as a negative trait, and they realize that this is unreasonable. So I'm hoping after watching this video, you know the difference between shyness and social anxiety. So do not use these two words interchangeably. And if you all like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.